Uh-huh.
Hello, guys.
How you doing today?
Fine, thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Have a good one now. Bye-bye. Yeah, that's got to be ADA room. Well, because you say you don't like ADA room.
Oh, right. Well, yeah.
We got to go down to 7. All right, we'll wait for the next one. Don't worry about it. Go for it.
That's what? Oh, we got to go to 7.
That's where we get off.
Is it?
Yep.
I like this. That there's no damn weight and there's no...
I think I can. I like these mirrored doors. Just want to make sure I'm not hitting anybody.
You good?
Yeah, alrighty.
A little more room?
Alrighty. Alright, thank you.
Deck 9. Going down. Deck 8.
What?
With the white, the razzle dazzle.
Yeah, that is.
Going down.
Why don't you slide over here?
Because we're getting off that side.
Yeah.
Going down.
You got space? It's okay. Sorry.
No, you're good. Yep, you can tuck that in. Yep.
Okay. Sorry.
One more floor to
Are
go?
we going to 7 or we going?
7.
That's what we call again.
I'm
Deck
sorry.
7.
Does it say there?
To get off the ship.
Does it say right there?
It's
Yeah, 7 there.
Okay, sorry.
The ship is going to the right. Oh, damn, they done locked the damn door. Oh, dummy, should have looked at the sign. Go for it, go for it. All right, go. Let's roll, let's roll. Pizza to go. Licking me till I scream. Uh-oh.
You know?
Yeah, I'm quite sure they're going to stay in our van. Some people probably didn't realize they could stay in their room until they select the checkout time.
Yeah.
And if you're here now, yeah, it's not bad. What's that? Yeah, right. No, this is exactly how we got on. Thank you, thank you. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry.
It's all right.
Go for it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm right-handed, so. It's loyal and faithful servant. See that blue Columbus right there? They had some a green set like that, all three pieces at the DJ Mac. Yep, and I went in. All right, thank you. On one hand, I kind of like it because it's stylish and it's unique, but then also I don't like it because it doesn't have the pockets on the outside. I like the soft cloth with the pockets. Damn, that was missing a wheel. It's gone through hell already. I'm sorry. Oh, you today. See, that's where you can recycle. It's like recycling your key cards from the hotel. Got all your information on it. It's a big ass TV. I have no idea, to be honest with you. Maybe one to, yeah, luggage claim is level 1. Yeah. Let's see about the fit in here. I am. Uh-oh.
Did you have a good cruise?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Brought back enough beer. So yeah, I had a good cruise. Is that where we're going? Or is it one?
This is one.
Hit the 1 button.
That's the one I am
Oh,
before.
okay, nope.
Oh, that's one?
Yeah.
There we go. We'll try that one.
Oh, there we go.
I thought that was the.
It's a good thing we tried you.
Yeah.
We'd still be sitting
Thanks for
there.
your help.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Got all your luggage, sir? Do you need help?
Yeah, I think we're good. I'm gonna hold it. I ain't gonna run your foot over. There you go. What's that? Oh shit. Right. How are you?
Let's get really close to the camera. No, you're good to go. Sit
All
down.
right. Thank you. Uh-oh. Hopefully I can do this. Uh-oh.
You all right, young man?
Oh, yes.
You good?
Oh, yes. Ooh, that sure did hurt. Stretch my arm. Ooh. Ouch. Went to military. Oh, I just wanted to adjust my luggage. Yeah. Oh, that's the.
Behind the tree. Right there, stop at E1 behind the tree.
Movement. I cut that a little too sharp. Watch this vehicle. Watch that vehicle. 'Cause he ain't stopping. Which way? I want to go this way. You can come on up right here. All righty.